Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The question is, what is the value of 64 to the power of 6 minus 64 to the power of 5? Now let's solve it. First of all, let's write the question. 64 to the power of 6 minus 64 to the power of 5. Here, in both terms, we have 64 to the power of 5 as a common factor, so let's take that out as common. 64 to the power of 5, and in the brackets, we'll have 64 left here, and from the other term, we'll have minus 1 left. Now, under root. After 64 5 times, here we'll have 64 minus 1, so that will be 63 now. Under root, we'll write 64 to the power of 5 as 64 to the power of 4, times 64 to the power of 1, multiplied by 6463. Let's write further under root. 64 to the power of 4 multiplied by 64, we'll look at 118263 as 9 times 7. No! Under root. Or 64 to the power of 4? If we take 64 to the power of 4 out, then 64 squared will come out. Now, under root 64 times under root 68, 9 under root 7. Let's solve further. Here, 64 squared will stay the same as it is. Here, under root 64, if we write it, it becomes times 8 times 6. Under root 9 is 3, so it becomes 3 times root 7. Now, 64 squared times 8 times 3, that becomes 24. 24 times root 7. Now, let's continue. If we solve further, 64 to the power 64 times 64, 224 times root 7. Now let's solve it. 64 times 64, this will be 64 times 64 is 4096 times 24 under root 7. Let's solve it. Now, if we multiply 4096 by 24, we get this. 98,304 under root 7, and this is from the right turn.